Alright, our next job today will be to show you on our BizHub mid-range MFP product line how with our PCL and PostScript drivers, how do we go ahead and save a favorite setting in our print drivers. This is standard in all of Konica Minolta's PCL and PostScript drivers that we have on our C754E product line down to our C224E product line. So as you can see here, I have a Word document that's open. And I have an 8-page job, so I'll just scroll through it just to show you that it's an 8-page job. Now, the use for this particular function comes in our print drivers because our print drivers are very robust and do a lot of things. However, most people when they're doing print jobs usually do several things quite often, but they might have one or two jobs that they only do maybe once every 2 weeks or once every month. And they can never remember all the settings for those particular jobs. What this will allow us to do is set those particular jobs in the memory and name the file the way we want it to be named, so every time we want to run it again with those same features, we can simply recall that and run it. So let's show you how we would set this up. So I have an 8-page document that I would like to make into an 11 by 17 folded and stapled booklet. But I can never remember all the settings for that. So we're going to show you how to set that up and then how to save that as a favorite in the print job printer. So we have our C654 here. It's our PCL driver. So I'm just going to go into my printer properties here. Now let me just pull this down a little bit for you. Now you'll notice that right here we have favorite setting in the print driver. You will notice there are certain things that are in here already. We're going to add one in a few seconds. So the first thing that we have to do is figure out how to run our job. So we wanted to make that booklet that we have into an 11 by 17 and stapled in the spine. So if we go under Basic, and our original is 8.5 by 11, but we wanted our output to be on 11 by 17, so we select that. Then we go under our Layout tab, and here we have Print Type, and we would need to select booklet. And you'll notice here that it's showing us exactly what it's doing for us. The last step for us to do is to put our staples in the spine, so we go under Finishing and we select Center Staple and Fold. Now, right now it's going to be very easy for us, so we're just going to go to Add here under Favorite Settings. So we're done, so we add, and I'm going to say let's name this, and we'll call this Friday Job. You can name it anything you want. You can tell it here, I can restore the items for the original document size, orientation, the number of copies, different paper types, per page settings, what am I doing? I'm just going to use basic settings that I have here, so original document size and orientation is important for me on this one, so I'll leave that one selected. I'll click OK, I'll click OK, and now I'm going to print this job. So you're going to hear my MFP in the room kick off. I will then go ahead here and close this particular job, and now I have a U.S. Constitution document that I have open that I would like to make into that booklet as well. However, I don't understand or remember all those settings. We don't have to remember them because we just loaded them in our favorite settings. So now I'm going to do File, Print. You'll still see I have my C654 printer loaded. I'm going to go into my properties, and now if I go under my drop down up here, let me just move this here a little bit for you. If I go under my drop down under favorite settings, you will see I have one there that says Friday Job. I simply select that, and you will notice that all of my settings have remained the same and been added. I could click OK, and then I can click Print. That's how easy it is on our Konica Minolta PCL and PostScript drivers to add a favorite setting to your print drivers. Thank you very much and have a great day.